So it's me, Hope. I'm back with our video, like usual. Sorry I haven't posted for 2 weeks. I've been truly busy with my social studies project, with math that I don't really get. Long division anyway. It's really hard. Science. Basically any subject, but not music, because do music homework. So I'm eating chips right now, and yeah. So today's video is going to be, anyways, we said to do a video, so do your videos, random things. For a title, I'll just call it HHT. Hope Talks. And yes, I got Orphan Talks from Our Family Nest. No, HH Talks from Our Family Nest. Nest. They're a great family of 6 or 5. So yeah. So I think I'm just going to show you. Oh, I got an idea. I'll do a video of me choosing outfits, shirts for camping. Sorry, I'm going to the freezer or something, but we got today after school. So then, sushi. Sorry, it's a little loud because of the fan. It's so hot. Let's turn my light on. Oh, that's way better. Anyways, let me set you guys up. Okay, so let's go in my closet and pick outfits out. Okay. These ones that I already picked out. Well, because you guys are going to vote 7 of them. No, I'm not going camping for a week, only 4 nights, but I need some extra outfits, just in case I get wet or something. So let me see. Are there any others that I would like to do? No, those are the only ones. So you have to pick 7 shirts. So, and also I have choices. So number A is this one. At least I think it fits. No, this doesn't fit. Yeah, this doesn't fit. Never mind, this is out of the selection. Okay. Number A. Back. That's number A. You get to pick 7. Actually, this isn't in the selection. I need it anyways. So there's only A so far. B. Okay. B. And people at school. You can tell me at school. C. Sorry if I keep getting on the screen. My absolute favorite shirt. D. E. Just a plain purple shirt. Okay. E. That's E. F. Just a black shirt with a little rider. This is out of the option. I'm bringing it anyways. G. Same kind of one as that one, but lighter. And H. Let's see if there's any more. You can go back from the start of the video and pick. I want a green shirt. I and J. Okay? So you can pick which ones. I'll hang these up. Okay. My Life Has Ruth, Giselle Perez. You guys can for sure pick. I know you can comment, so please pick in order. 7 of them. At least I think there's more than 7. So this is heavy. Well, not heavy, but it's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like heavy. Okay. I'm having problems with these hangers, which are a little stupid. Sorry, I'm having technical difficulties. I'm going to clean my closet tomorrow. Okay. I don't know how I hang up clothes. I literally don't, so I'll ask my dad later. Okay, so that's it for today's video. JK. And so for today, but remember to pick. Sorry about the fan once again. Hopefully it's a little better in this area. So, So, I will be camping in like 3 weeks, 2 weeks. So yeah, I'm excited. Okay, so go follow me on Instagram, which is Sweetie. I'll put in the description, but I forgot my Instagram. My dairy is Dance is Life. My Flipagram is Hope Hill 3. Yeah, pretty sure. Just type in Hope Hill. It'll probably come up. Then, Musically is Hope Hill 3. I'll be getting Pinterest tomorrow. Not telling you guys my email. Not telling you guys my Facebook. You probably even know if you know my last name. I don't accept your friend requests because, you know, rules are rules. So, follow me on those. It'll be in the description. I think that's it for today's video. Sorry it was a bit short. Sorry it was a bit boring. But you guys wanted me to do a video. So yeah, my schedule is maximum 5 a week. But my lowest will be has to be 3. I'll do like, how about I'll do Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and Saturdays. Okay, yeah. So 6 or 7. No, 6. Yeah, 6. Sorry, my teeth are a little yellow. Okay. Wow, that was a weird thing. My tongue's brown. So bye. Love y'all. Question of the day today is, have you ever went camping? No, I have not been camping before, but yeah. But I only been to one sleepover with my friend ever. Just my cousins and one friend. And my sister. And my nephew, like, they're together, yeah. So bye! This was longer than I thought it would be. So bye. Love y'all. Peace out, y'all. Dab. See y'all. See ya.